Hi guys, my name is Ifanayachi Safaya Agwon, a student of Forex Beginners Academy. So far, it's been like a month since I joined this class. I got to know this opportunity through a friend, and I am grateful for that. I must say that Sadali is a great mentor. From the lectures I've received so far, my knowledge about Forex has increased greatly. I'm able to master and learn the support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement tool, how to use my moving averages, and as well as analyze charts using the TradingView platform. The TradingView platform is actually a tool that every trader must need if you want to succeed in the Forex market. So with the TradingView platform, you are able to analyze charts very well even before you enter into any trade. And of course, in the student group, you are allowed to post your charts. After watching a video, it is now left for you to go to TradingView to practice what you've learned by marking up charts and then screenshotting it and posting it in the student group to get a feedback. And I will testify to you that using the student platform, will really help to increase your knowledge on every topic you learn. So I'll encourage you to utilize this opportunity. If you are someone who is aspiring to be a trader, if you are still thinking about it, I will encourage you not to think about it and dive right in. Sadali is a great mentor, and the most beautiful thing is he offers his courses free of charge. It's something that he has dedicated to do. It's more like he's giving back to the society, and I truly appreciate what he's doing. And that's it. I just wanted to use this opportunity and thank yourself later for doing so. Thank you for watching. Bye.